Hey everyone, welcome to Weller's channel. Today I'll show how to control one Android from another remotely. First, download Android Remote Access on your phone. Open it. Tap Sign Up. I'll use Google to sign in. After logging in, enter the email code. Log in, grant access, hit OK. Then go to Remote Control, tap Grant Permissions, and wait. You'll also need this AirDrop Control add-on. On the second phone, open AirMirror. Tap Login, use the same account, then Add Device. Here's our phone control. Aha. We need to grant permissions too. Let's go back. Now we give screen access. All right, let's try everything again. There. We wait. Great, we're connected. That's it. This was Weller. See you all.